back to another weekly vlog, and if you are new to the channel, thank you so much for watching today, and don't forget to subscribe. So it is Monday, June 3rd. It's like 9 o'clock in the morning. I just got done getting ready for the day, put some makeup on, got dressed and everything. David is still here, and if I left in any of him singing in the shower, then you guys already know that. Last night, I took the time to make like a note of all the things I need to get done today so I can like stay on schedule and make sure that everything gets done. After getting ready, the next thing I need to do is go grab my computer and make sure that my vlog uploaded or that it went live. Then I need to like post it on Instagram and Facebook and stuff like that and kind of like do the promotion side of it to make sure that it gets seen, even though it doesn't usually, but that's okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna go downstairs and grab my computer and do that, having a cup of coffee, and then when I'm done with that whole process, I will like go downstairs and tidy up. The dishes need to be done, there's laundry that needs to be done, I need to have some breakfast, and then get ready for the gym, so on and so forth. I will bring you guys through the whole day. Welcome to the vlog. Girls, you guys are so cute. Look at my proper little princess queen. Sky. Oh. It is now 1 o'clock, and I just had like the best, sweatiest, like I'm literally covered in sweat. My chest, my forehead, like my back. Leg workout. It was like the sweatiest leg workout I've had in a long time. And then I just finished up with like 10 minutes on the Stairmaster. I was just trying to reach where it tells me like I burn a little bit over 100 calories. What was I gonna say? There was something I was gonna say. I forgot. I don't know. I'm gonna head home now and what am I saying? I'm gonna go home and make a post-workout smoothie. Okay, I am back home now, and I made myself a little post-workout smoothie. So delicious. It's just a very ripe banana, a cup of almond milk, some ice, and 2 scoops, which is 1 serving of the Orgain chocolate fudge protein. If you guys ever come across that, it is so good. It is by far, in my opinion, the best plant-based protein I've tried.
And then this is just a half of an apple pre-sliced.
I have discovered the most amazing woman in the world, Dr. Mona Vand. I feel like I'm really gonna start like paying close attention to her videos and like the stuff that she's posting, especially about what she eats and stuff. She does like food combining, which I literally just discovered this like yesterday. No, today, that was this morning. I just discovered it this morning. Again, watching Janelle's video. She's like literally one of my favorites. Anyway, I just discovered that, and she's like an expert at it, and she's also plant-based, and she also works out. So I'm like, oh my God, the perfect YouTuber, honestly. I am making some lunch right now. I'm snacking on there's some cherry tomatoes under here, and some sliced cucumber, and dipping it in a little bit of lemon turmeric dressing. Then I have some whole grain pasta noodles boiling right now, and then I'm just gonna add that to some pasta sauce and nutritional yeast with like some garlic. I'm also like accidentally sticking with food combining today, so I'm excited about that. With food combining, if you guys, I'll like link some videos below or things that you can reference, but like you're supposed to have fruit, stuff like that at the beginning of the day, and like nothing else that's like slower, like a slower digestion process after that. I do that all the time. Like I'll have fruit with oats or fruit with yogurt, or like fruit during the day after I've already had like a protein shake and pasta and all this stuff, and I just get really gassy and bloated after I do that. Or like when I have oats in the morning, and then I'll put like mango and stuff like in my smoothies. It just always turns out with me like having uncomfortable gas and like just being bloated. So I'm hoping that this helps out. We'll see how I feel after today. I ended up spending like, I think now it's been like 3 hours watching videos and looking up stuff for food combining, and like writing down all these notes and how you should eat things, do nots, things you can do, breakfast, snack, lunch ideas, like a little grocery list for when I go shopping next. I'm like so into it. Also, it like kind of forces you to eat cleaner, like the vegan cookies and stuff that I've been having and like wine and things like that like really wouldn't be like allowed so much. I mean, you don't have to restrict yourself. You can obviously still have those things. Your digestion wouldn't be as great. I'm excited. I think I'm gonna like start trying this like next week because I will have to go to the grocery store and do like some shopping and stuff. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. So maybe next week's vlog will be like all about food combining and stuff. So. Good morning, guys. It is 8:30 right now. I got up at 8 o'clock this morning and I'm just downstairs like having some, I made some hot water with apple cider vinegar and I didn't have any lemon, so I used lime juice. And now I am waiting for my coffee to brew a little bit in the French press. And I'm trying out a little bit of the food combining today. So I'm starting the morning, like I said, I had the hot water. Now I'm having green juice with some fresh raspberries that I just washed. And then I'm gonna have some coffee with a little bit of Califia Farms almond creamer. And then there's like 8 milliliters of organic maple syrup in there for a little bit of sweetness. It is now like 9:30 and I am making some breakfast. I was just doing the dishes and like cleaning up the living room and stuff. I am having some Dave's Killer Bread, and then I'm gonna have that with some avocado, Himalayan pink salt, and Mrs. Dash tomato basil garlic seasoning. I'll put some cherry tomatoes on and then some broccoli sprouts. So after I'm done with this, I have a to-do list of things to do today. Oh, that's my bread. And yeah, if any of it is, God, can't talk. If any of it is interesting, I will pick up my camera for it.
And I knew with you it'd be easy. I've touched your soul, and then I knew you'd run away with me. I'm in your thoughts, and all you want is to lay down with me. I will be the one, 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 I will be the one for you.
Hello, I am back from the gym. It is currently a little bit after 1 o'clock and I'm having a post-workout smoothie, which is very, very green. It is almond milk, spirulina powder, and chocolate protein with banana. I didn't get to film a whole lot at the gym. I was super into my workout and it was really busy, like such a weird time to be busy, but it was super busy and every time I like would go to set up my camera, someone like would walk in or a couple people would walk in and it would just be like weird, so I just only got a few things. I'm about to get started cleaning out my fridge. It's just looking a hot freaking mess right now. We have so many sauces and dressings and things that have been in there forever. And that watermelon is old, those strawberries in there are old, like things just like need to be cleaned out. I'm gonna get started on this, probably turn on a podcast or some good music or something and get to cleaning. Okay guys, I have done it and it's all organized and wiped out and clean and looking so good. Now I just need to do some grocery shopping. Oh my God, you guys. Oh my God. That is all of my recycling. What do I do? Oh my God. Oh no. You guys, I went out there and I saved the recycling. Holy crap. It is like wild out there. It's like brown. And the lights keep flickering in and out. Holy cow, that was freaking crazy. Hello guys, it is Wednesday. Currently 11:30 in the morning and I am in Las Cruces again. I was here last week to go grocery shopping. I'm here again this week to go grocery shopping. I have a long list of stuff that I need to get from Sprouts, but while I'm here, I'm also going to pop into Target. I really wanted to go to a Plato's Closet, but they don't have one here. They have one in El Paso. So I think I am gonna make a day of going to El Paso to shop Plato's Closet and just try to get like stuff for upcoming vacations and trips and stuff from there. This day should be a little bit more exciting than normal days since I am out of my house.
Hi, 6:44. Did you want a receipt today?
That's okay.
Good luck.
Thanks.
Have a good one.
You too. I accidentally left my freaking camera in the car, so I couldn't take you guys into the grocery store with me, but I was on a mission anyway and it was so busy. It's pretty expensive, but I got some extra stuff I didn't like totally need, like a bottle of wine, and I got these really pretty flowers and just some other stuff.
Room has the smell. Something rancid. One of them, they see a pop.
Okay, I'm back home. I'm gonna show you guys what I got really quickly. So we've got some sweet potato, tomatoes, cucumbers, cherry tomatoes. These were like 2 for $5 or 2 for $6. Organic strawberries, organic blueberries, all the produce is organic except the bananas and the onions, I think. I got arugula, avocados, bell peppers, lots of lemons, cherries, watermelon, some really, really amazing white wine I got last time and it was so good I had to get it again. Some olive oil, coconut water, and then in here we have like parsley, kale, red leaf lettuce, no salt added sprouted grain bread, multigrain crackers, and then I've got chickpea pasta as well as red lentil pasta, both like really good protein. And then same with the veggie rotini. Got a couple of vegan basil pesto, some seasoning. David really wants to try this Just Egg, so I picked that up for him. Some coconut aminos, some organic pita bread, some whole wheat tortillas, this really amazing chocolate, vegan chocolate. Seriously, this is so good, you guys. This was 3 for $5, so I got some rice and then quinoa. And there's the watermelon. Yeah, I think that's pretty much everything. I also got 2 things of Beyond Meat patties and some Beyond sausage. I just got to the gym. It's 4 o'clock now. The parking lot is freaking packed. It's gonna be so busy in there, but I have to get my workout in, so just gotta figure it out. Hey guys, it is now 3:30. I only picked up my camera this morning to show you guys a little bit of my workout that I was doing, and then that's it. So the rest of the day I like came home, had some lunch and stuff, and got ready, and I have been filming a my favorites like video, which is already out, so it'll be linked in the description box as always, and I'm just editing that right now. Yeah, as you guys can see. And this will continue to be my day for like the next hour or so. And then I need to get started on dinner because I've barely eaten anything today. Usually the days that I like need to work out, get ready, film and edit and like upload and everything, I like barely eat. So I've just been actually just sipping on coconut water, and I need to go eat something soon, but I need to get a majority of this done first. So that has been my Thursday so far. Happy Friday. It is like 10 o'clock. And I am just, I just uploaded a new video. It's linked below. And I'm having some blueberry green tea with some fresh lemon and drinking my water. And then I just like sit here and upload this and like post it to Instagram. I just made like little like teasers for my Instagram story. And then I'll post it to Facebook and like all these other YouTube, Facebook accounts. And just spend time like making sure that it's out there and it's good and it's live and people know that there's a new video. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm about to grab some breakfast here in a second. Probably start with some fruit like I have been all week, and then have something else and then head to the gym. Yeah, it's Friday, yeah. You like your new ball? Yes, baby, that's so cute. Hello, I am back from the gym, obviously, and I just mixed up a little bit of chocolate protein with some almond milk and water, and now I am still all week sticking with the food combining. I'm about to chop up these potatoes and put some like avocado oil spray on them, season them, and chop them up and bake them. And then I'm gonna have that with some whole grain, sprouted whole grain bread and some avocado toast. So, that will be lunch today. I'm also, like, throughout the day today, I've been posting what I'm eating on my Instagram story, and seeing like what people know about food combining, if they know about it at all. So that's been kind of fun. And I did just get back from the gym, like I said, and I did a really, really good like full body workout, but then I ended with some hip thrusts and I did some abs today and everything. I'm definitely, the workout I did today was so good. I'm definitely going to film that for you guys and put that in a separate video, or I'll like put it on Instagram or whatever. But I'll insert those clips right now.
That's a wrap. That's a day. That's 19 days out. That's what that is.
So it is almost 8 o'clock now, still Friday. I like put on some self-tanner earlier, took like a nice shower and shaved and exfoliated and washed my face and did like a face mask. It was great. Now I just popped open a bottle of wine and we are making, or I am making, David's upstairs getting out of the shower, some Beyond Meat burgers. He's gonna have his with one of these rolls, and I'm gonna have mine with some red lentil pasta to stick with like the food combining thing. So yeah, that's gonna be our night. Got some friends on in the background. I hope you guys enjoyed another weekly vlog. Thank you so much for everybody who watches. Please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and then hit the notification bell next to it so you do not miss a video. And I will see you guys next week.